Hi, hello. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the energy possessed by a body by virtue of its motion. So, when the body is in motion, that body having the kinetic energy. Let us see the formula of kinetic energy. Kinetic energy Ke equals to half mv square. So, here m is the mass of the body and v is the speed of a body. And how to get this equation? Let us see the derivation here. So see the example, when a body is rest on a table. So the body placed on a table, it is at rest. So when the body is at rest, the initial velocity becomes 0, u equals to 0. And here we are applying the constant force F. So when we apply the force on the table, it will be accelerate. When we applied the force on the table, it will be displaced. So it is moves from one place to another place. It covers some displacement S. See here, F is the force and S is the displacement. And now let us write the formula from F equals to ma. Here we are applying the force, F equals to ma. And another formula, that is the kinetic equation, v square minus u square equals to 2as. So when here the object is at rest, that means initial velocity is 0. So here I substituted v square equals to 2as. From this equation we can write the s value. So s equals to v square by 2a. So this is the equation 1 and this is the equation 2. So now see the formula here. Kinetic energy is the capacity of a body to do work. Means here the work is done here. Already you know the formula for work done. W equals to force into displacement. So F equals to formula ma and substitute the S formula here, v square by 2a. So see clearly a cancel and W equals to half m v square. So here work done is equivalent to kinetic energy. Now see the definition. Kinetic energy is the capacity of a body to do work. Means here work is done. So but kinetic energy is equivalent to work done, because of when we want to do work we need a energy. By using the energy we are able to do some work. So here kinetic energy is equivalent to work done. So already here W formula half mv square. So Ke equals to half mv square. This is the formula for kinetic energy. This is the derivation for kinetic energy. Next one, according to the kinetic energy, there are some points. Important points is there. Already you know the formula Ke equals to half mv square. So here m and v are always positive. So m and v are always positive. That is the first point. And the second point is the kinetic energy depends on the frame of reference. Here 2 points are very important. Both m and v are positive and kinetic energy depends on the frame of reference. These 2 points are very important. And here another one is there. Kinetic energy does not depends on the direction of motion of a body. So these 3 are very important here. And now see kinetic energy depends on frame of reference. How it is possible, let us see. Kinetic energy is a scalar quantity. Scalar means it is only having the magnitude, there is no particular direction. Already you know that. And the second one is the examples. Now what are the examples for kinetic energy? Let us see here. A vehicle is in motion. So the vehicle which is in motion, it is having the kinetic energy, like a car, bus, bike, whatever the vehicles is in motion, it is having the kinetic energy. Second one, water flows in a river. So already you know river, the water is flowing in a river, that water having the kinetic energy. And third one is a bullet fired from a gun. So here also after the firing the bullet is moving with some velocity and it is having some mass. So these three are the examples for kinetic energy. And kinetic energy depends on frame of reference. I said by example, see here the person is sitting in a train. So the speed of the person with respect to the train is 0 because of he is at rest. That means half mv square equals 0. Kinetic energy of the person who are sitting in a train is 0. That is the frame of reference. And second frame of reference is the earth. According to the earth, the kinetic energy is half mv square. That means the frame of reference, when we are taking the train, the kinetic energy is 0. When we are taking the earth, the kinetic energy is half mv square. That means the kinetic energy depends on frame of reference. Finally, the objects which are is in motion, those objects having the kinetic energy. These are the points regarding to the kinetic energy.